Feels like a light is a little too much. I don't know. Let's just roll with it. Good evening. Welcome back to In the Khud. This is November 19, 2022, 7:17 p.m. Today was just another, it's more of an understatement to say sad day, but it was depressing. Depressing as in I don't know, I have very recurrent episodes of sadness overflowing in my life. And I don't know, because of course the sheer lack of other human interaction in my life is why I do not know if everyone else, like normally people have so many episodes of like sadness in life. But what I do realize is it's a very fundamental human problem. And different people have different ways of dealing with it. Some people go out with friends, some people drink in bars, maybe, I don't know, some people just lay in bed all day. So there are different coping mechanisms to deal with the same problem. My coping mechanism has always been work, so naturally I was working the whole day. I'll just start from the beginning. Woke up at 7, took Snowy down. The universe is speaking and I'm listening. You know, I'm good with words, so I just put them down like this. 2D frame by frame animation using grease pencil is the need of the hour. This will not just give me the creative freedom to animate whatever I want to, however I want to, but also serve as a strong foundation for storyboarding and outlining my 3D projects before diving into 3D stuff. Frame by frame animation is something that I've always been pushing away because some part of my mind is like, I cannot draw. And that is something that I have been telling myself, which is why I feel it's become part of my identity, that I will use software and do things technically, but I cannot draw. It doesn't have to be like Picasso level drawing, but I need to be able to just flesh out rough sketches of what I have in my mind, flow of how a video is supposed to flow. Like storyboarding is so important for any big project. I've been doing small projects like the 3D blender ice cream, or there were very simple projects where there's usually just one scene, there isn't a lot going on. But the moment I start working for bigger projects that have multiple scenes having multiple shots, it is absolutely essential to have storyboard to work with, like a plan of how we're going from A to Z. You can't just dive into Blender and start making things out of nowhere. It's not gonna work. Yeah, I watched an awesome video by KD Sketch, and I have to watch a few others also to get started with the fundamentals of grease pencil. This is the video by KD Sketch. I loved how detailed she was in explaining her process here. Bruh. Then for practice can pick apart videos of Ted Dead. I just keep going to the other screen. A day can really slip by when you're deliberately avoiding what you're supposed to do. Okay, thank you, I needed that. So Ted Dead has like a complete, you can say, different varieties of animation they do, and frame by frame animation is one of them, which they pull off really nice. Okay, things have gotten pretty delayed here. Yep. So this is one good thing I can do for practice. I don't want to rely a lot on courses, because that's one mistake I've been doing a lot, you know. Don't learn something, get this course. Just try doing things. That's the best way to learn. But again, as you know, my life right now is very like dad work oriented, especially for a month or so. So I don't know if I'm going to get time to do any of this, but yeah. Other than that, I think I did like 10-15 episodes logging, and like just prepping up 100 episodes so that the moment I get a sort of confirmation from the Star Plus team, I can just upload those, and then we can like say at least we've uploaded one big lot for that. That's where we're at. So yeah, I'm gonna conclude this sad day by going to the gym and doing a workout, which makes me feel a little good about life. That's it for today's documentation. Thanks so much for being in the Khud. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.